For engineering students, having a reliable and powerful laptop is essential to handle demanding software and multitask effectively. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best laptops for engineering students, offering impressive performance, speed, and battery life. Whether you're coding, designing, or analyzing data, these laptops are up to the task. Let's get started. Number 5. Acer Aspire 3. The Acer Aspire 3 is a reliable choice for engineering students who need a laptop that's both stylish and portable. With its sleek silver design and lightweight build, it's easy to carry around campus or between classes. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display offers sharp details and vibrant colors, making it perfect for design projects, coding, and video streaming during downtime. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 3 processor with Radeon graphics, the Aspire 3 delivers ready-to-go performance for everyday tasks, assignments, and multitasking. The 8GB DDR5 RAM ensures smooth performance, while the 128GB NVMe SSD provides fast storage and quick access to files and applications essential for engineering coursework. Students will appreciate the built-in HD front-facing camera with TNR technology, perfect for online classes or group projects. Acer's purified voice with AI noise reduction guarantees clear audio during meetings, helping students stay connected without distractions. Why we love it. Lightweight and portable design ideal for students. Smooth multitasking with Ryzen 3 and 8GB RAM. Crisp Full HD display with narrow bezels. Reliable Wi-Fi 6 connectivity and cooling system. Product specifications. Number 4. Lenovo V15. The Lenovo V15G2 ALC is a powerful and dependable laptop designed for professionals and students who need strong performance and reliability. With a sleek black design and a 15.6-inch Full HD display, it delivers crisp visuals for work, study, and entertainment. The numeric keypad adds extra convenience, making it perfect for handling spreadsheets and calculations with ease. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 processor with 6 cores and 12 threads, this laptop handles multitasking effortlessly. The 16GB high-bandwidth RAM ensures smooth performance when running multiple applications, while the 512GB NVMe SSD provides fast boot-up times and quick data access, ideal for demanding workloads. It also features a built-in webcam and Wi-Fi for seamless online communication and collaboration. Powered by Windows 11 Pro, the Lenovo V15 delivers enhanced security, productivity, and professional-grade features, making it a reliable choice for performance and flexibility. Why we love it. Powerful Ryzen 5 processor with 6 cores. 16GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking. Large 512GB SSD for fast storage. Full HD display with a numeric keypad. Product specifications. Number 3. Dell Inspiron 16 Plus. The Dell Inspiron 16 Plus is a powerful and versatile laptop, perfect for professionals and students who demand both performance and comfort. With its sleek ice blue design and a spacious 16-inch display featuring a 16:10 aspect ratio, you get more screen space to handle multiple projects efficiently. The anti-glare coating further enhances your viewing experience, making it easy to work for long hours. Powered by the Intel Core i7 processor and 16GB RAM, the Inspiron 16 Plus ensures fast and smooth multitasking. Built for productivity, the Inspiron 16 Plus features military-grade durability and a trusted platform module to protect your data. Dell Comfort View Plus technology reduces harmful blue light emissions, ensuring eye comfort during long working sessions while maintaining vibrant and accurate colors. It's an ideal choice for users seeking a reliable, powerful laptop for professional and personal needs. Why we love it. Spacious 16-inch display with 16:10 aspect ratio. Powerful Intel Core i7 performance with 16GB RAM. Large 1TB storage capacity. Comfort View Plus reduces eye strain during long sessions. Product specifications. Number 2. HP Pavilion 15.6 inches. The HP Pavilion 15.6-inch HD touchscreen. Anti-glare laptop offers a sleek and functional design featuring a 15.6-inch HD touchscreen with a micro-edge bright view display. The 1366 by 768 resolution provides decent visuals for general use, while the touch functionality enhances navigation for photos, movies, and games. Under the hood, the laptop is powered by the Intel Core i3 processor, capable of reaching speeds up to 4.1 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. Combined with 16 GB of high-bandwidth RAM, it can handle multitasking and running multiple applications smoothly, making it a great option for everyday tasks and productivity. The 1TB NVMe SSD ensures fast boot-up times and quick data transfers, providing ample storage for files and media. The laptop includes essential connectivity options like a USB Type-C port, 2 USB Type-A ports, HDMI, and a headphone-microphone combo. Running Windows 11 Home, it delivers a user-friendly experience. Why we love it. Responsive 15.6-inch HD touchscreen for easy navigation. 16 GB RAM for smooth multitasking. 1TB SSD for fast boot up and storage. Good value for money and ease of use. Product specifications. Number 1. Lenovo Ideapad 1. The Lenovo Ideapad 1 is a budget-friendly laptop ideal for students who need reliable performance for everyday tasks. Featuring a 15.6-inch Full HD display with anti-glare technology, it offers clear visuals for studying, streaming, and browsing. The 1920 by 1080 resolution and 250 nits of brightness ensure a comfortable viewing experience. Powered by the Intel Celeron N 4500 processor, the Ideapad 1 delivers adequate performance for basic activities such as word processing, web browsing, and video calls. With 20 GB of RAM, users can run multiple applications and browser tabs simultaneously without significant slowdowns. The combination of a 1TB SSD and a 128 GB eMMC provides both fast boot-up times and ample storage. It runs Windows 11 Home, offering a user-friendly interface. While customers appreciate its value for money, some report issues with build quality and battery life, with certain units breaking after a few months. Why we love it. 20 GB RAM for smooth multitasking. Large 1TB SSD and 128 GB eMMC for fast storage. Clear 15.6-inch Full HD anti-glare display. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for reliable connectivity. Product specifications. If you're an engineering student looking for the perfect laptop, we've covered your top 5 options. Whether you prioritize performance, design, or budget, there's something here for everyone. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful tech reviews. Drop a comment if you have any questions or recommendations. See you in the next video.